And now it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
It's Aloha Friday. No work to...
Welcome to the Sea Lion Splash.
Get ready, Sea Lions, for this week's announcements.
Happy Mother's Day to all the McGaw moms who make our lives special by donating time, energy, and kindness to make McGaw a better place. Thank you so much for all you do. Happy Mother's Day! We hope our 5th graders were able to make some fantastic memories during our OSS Alternative Day. Here are some highlights from that awesome experience. Let's continue to spread the love by practicing gratitude for our teachers. Who do you appreciate and why?
Miss Barr, because she made me run laps and she's my teacher for 3 years. Mrs. Lisa
Why?
loves me.
She loves you?
Yeah?
Yeah. What do you want to say to her?
I love you, Miss Lisa.
Thank you, Miss Hess, for spreading kindness to us.
Thank you, Miss Breedlove, for being an awesome teacher.
Thank you, Miss Carrie and Miss Sandra. I love working for you guys.
Thank you, Miss Wallace. Miss Lucia, you are the best teacher and you helped me. Miss Kim, because she was my first teacher here at McGaw.
Thank you, Miss Wood, for being a great principal. Thank you, Miss Wood, for spreading kindness.
Thank you, Miss Wood, for always making sure that we're safe and protected. I appreciate Miss Offwater the most because she spreads kindness all over the classroom.
Who do you want to shout out?
Miss Wallace, because she's the best 5th grade teacher ever.
Thank you, Miss Pallone.
Who do you appreciate and why?
Miss Day, Miss Anderson, Miss Francisco. And they're the best teachers in the world.
I appreciate Team Smarter because they're super awesome teachers.
Thank you, Miss Reiswig.
Thank you, Miss Breedlove, for always being there for us.
Who's your favorite teacher?
Mrs. Fox.
Why is she your favorite teacher?
Because she's our teacher. Because her dad played stuff with us. And she's really nice.
I appreciate Miss Wood because she is kind and helpful. I appreciate Miss O'Brien because she helped me get through 3rd grade.
I appreciate Mrs. Monteleone because she's really nice. Miss Monteleone is the best because she's so beautiful and nice. I want to shout out to Miss Weber because she helps me with my math. I shout out Miss Weber because she is trustworthy. I want to give a shout out for Miss Weber because she's super thoughtful. I want to give a shout out to Miss Weber because she's caring. I want to shout out Mrs. O'Brien because she's super nice to us and she's not strict.
Miss Day because she always helped me with my work.
Miss Fox because she was the best teacher I ever had.
Who do you want to shout out?
Miss Weber
Why?
because she's patient, helpful, kind. Miss Monteleone because she's really nice.
Who's your favorite teacher?
Miss T.
Why Miss T?
I don't know. Miss Bassage because she teaches the whole school music. Ramadan. Shout out for Miss Heron because she's super nice. I want to give a shout out to Miss Tochioka for always being kind and being nice and just being kind to everyone.
Who do you appreciate?
Miss Samara because she's really sweet. Thank you. Thank you, Miss Aniceto. Miss Martin.
Miss Martin, why?
Because she's my teacher. I appreciate Miss O'Brien because she's the nicest teacher here.
Who's your favorite teacher?
Miss Hess.
Why?
Because she's nice and she's funny. I appreciate Miss Anderson because she's very kind and she's very helpful.
Who do you appreciate and
Miss
why?
Kim, because she is always so nice and she helped me in kindergarten. Mr. Anku, because he worked so hard for how we do our track and I want to help him out being in the green team. I appreciate Miss Kingston, my teacher, the most, because she always makes funny jokes in front of the class and she just does the funnest projects. Miss T,
Why Miss T?
because she's my teacher. Bye-bye.
Let's keep spreading kindness and gratitude throughout McGaw. There you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye.